A study timetable is the alarm clock we set for ourselves. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all an effective, productive, daily routine study planner with some amazing secret study tips. And if you follow this strictly for 15 days, then you will obviously see incredible results. Let's begin. 5:30 a.m. It's bright and early wake-up time. Before you get up in the morning, rub your hands together. It activates all the nerve endings and gently place your palms upon your eyes. It increases blood circulation around the eyes. Next, wash your face. Drink a glass of water in the morning and do a simple 10 to 15 minute workout, such as go for a morning walk, water bottle curls, wide arm stretching, chair squats, stair climbing. These simple exercises boost your brain power and increase your energy levels. 6 a.m. to 7:15 a.m. Morning is the best and most effective time. Study and learn new things. So pick up your most difficult subject and learn as much as possible, or else revise the chapters before going to school. 7:15 a.m. to 8 a.m. Take a long break. Fresh up, do your skincare routine, and have a healthy, nutritious breakfast. Get dressed up and get ready for your school or college. 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. After coming back from school or college, take 1 hour rest. Fresh up, eat some snacks, spend time with your family or pet. Use your phone or watch TV. 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Those students who don't go for tuition or coaching can do effective self-study by practicing maths or accounts or any other subject with high focus time, plus without any distractions. 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Take a long break. Go for a quick walk. Meditate. Use your phone or watch TV or have some coffee or tea. Enjoy your break time. 6:30 p.m. to 7:50 p.m. Study any one subject from science. It can be biology, chemistry or physics, or else study social science. 7:50 p.m. to 8 p.m. 10 minutes study break. From 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Complete all your homeworks, assignments, complete your notes. If you didn't get any work for the day, then learn any other subject or practice sample papers, self-test, etc. 9 p.m. Have a light dinner. 9:45 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pack your bags and plan the subjects you need to prepare for the next day by making changes in your study timetable. You can press the above I button to watch how to make a study planner format. 10 p.m. Go to sleep. It is necessary to take at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep to get up early in the morning. This is the sample of the study timetable, and I hope you will find it helpful and try to adjust the timings and routines as suitable for you. Some quick study tips. Number 1. Try to study mathematics or accounts every day. The more you practice answering the questions or problems, the better. Number 2. Study language subjects such as English, Hindi, Sanskrit, French, German, etc. every Friday, Saturday and Sundays, and make effective notes. Number 3. Review the notes and rewrite them in a rough book with good handwriting and color code them. This will help you to remember the notes better. Number 4. Take regular study breaks. Number 5. Write a to-do list daily. Hope you find this timetable helpful, and if you did, share with your friends, give out your valuable suggestions in the comment section below. Subscribe and press that bell icon for my latest new videos. See ya!